Well, Swatkins Group was started by my great-grandfather. It was all I ever wanted to do ever since I was a child at school. I used to go in on the school holidays and help my grandfather. Sometimes it was just sweeping up, or sometimes it was making tea for them and things. So I took over when I was 22, and now we do literally from start to finish base metal right to the finished articles. Everything's pretty much handmade, so if you're after something that's got to be the best or something to present that you're really proud of, that's where we come in. I'm really pleased that both my daughters, Stephanie and Sophie, have joined the business. I'm sure that the business is in good hands for the future.
All we wanted to do is join the family business. It's not just work, it's our life.
Myself and my sister, we're the 5th generation and we're very proud to be part of a family business. My favourite department is the engraving department. This is because I enjoy all the different design methods that we have. We are able to produce any design that the customer needs. We're able to provide a quick turnaround process, so if our customers need the trophy next day, we're able to do that to be able to meet their requirements.
My father and I, we both are very design-minded, so we might draw up a design. There's no comparison when you can go down into the factory and actually speak to the people that make it. The spinning department, we go and we speak to them and see what's possible, see what's feasible, and we work with them to come up with a new design or shape.
I'm Graham. I've been here for 8 years at Swatkins, and this is my son. He's obviously going to take over from me when I retire.
It's a unique trade, I would say, in this generation, and I think the longer time goes on, the more unique it will become because of the less people that are doing it, and that's happening as we speak now. And I think my father passing down the torch as to be is just another example of the core beliefs of the company, which I believe is the benchmark of their success.
Hand chasing is a means of putting pattern onto metalwork using hammer and chisel. People are amazed when they do see the chasing done. Some of the customers who have been buying from Swatkins for years were amazed. They all thought it was done by machine.
Swatkins for me really is tradition. There's not many companies in the country, maybe even in the world, that can take raw material and produce an award silver plated, fully chased. A lot of companies will do parts of it and then ship it out to other companies to do bits. Whereas with Swatkins, we take a sheet of copper and then it's the final product that's getting wrapped up and it's all been done in-house. With bespoke awards, it could involve a whole number of materials and then there's different processes involved. It's challenging and it's changing all the time. The guys that work on there are skilled. You have to be to work the machinery, and they're dedicated, very dedicated.
I've always tried to maintain very, very high standards. We try to strive to make sure that we are the best at what we can possibly be.
For me, the Swatkins brand represents quality and certainly make our awards worth winning.
It's a lovely feeling to know that somebody's going to appreciate something that you've done, to know they get a satisfaction out of seeing it.
But in all fairness, after 53 years working in this trade, it's been the best company I've ever worked for.